Certainly. Here's a motivational success story about John's journey in the business and marketing world. John's entrepreneurial spirit ignited at a young age when he started selling lemonade in his neighborhood. Despite facing initial setbacks, he persisted and learned valuable lessons about customer satisfaction and the importance of marketing. As John grew older, his passion for business continued to blossom. He enrolled in business school, where he absorbed knowledge about marketing strategies, consumer behavior, and financial management. John's enthusiasm and dedication stood out among his peers, earning him recognition from his professors and classmates. After graduating, John faced the daunting task of entering a competitive job market. Despite numerous rejections, he maintained a positive mindset and refused to give up on his dreams. Determined to gain practical experience, John decided to start his own small marketing consultancy. Starting from scratch, John faced numerous challenges, including limited resources and a lack of brand recognition. However, he saw each obstacle as an opportunity to learn and grow. John utilized his creativity and resourcefulness to offer innovative solutions to his clients. His dedication to delivering exceptional results, combined with his strong work ethic, earned him a reputation for excellence. As John's consultancy gained traction, he expanded his services to include digital marketing, social media management, and branding. He consistently stayed updated on the latest industry trends and technology advancements, allowing him to provide cutting-edge solutions to his clients. John's success in helping businesses achieve their goals caught the attention of a prominent marketing agency. Impressed by his track record and entrepreneurial spirit, they offered John a senior marketing executive position. Recognizing this as an opportunity for further growth, John accepted the offer and embraced the challenge. In his new role, John excelled at leading marketing campaigns for major clients, implementing innovative strategies, and driving impressive results. His ability to inspire and motivate his team members earned him the respect and admiration of colleagues and clients alike. Years later, John decided to fulfill his lifelong dream of starting his own marketing agency. Armed with his expertise, industry connections, and a solid reputation, he founded his company. John's agency quickly gained recognition for its creative approach, personalized strategies, and remarkable success stories. Today, John's agency has become a leading player in the marketing industry, working with renowned global brands. John's passion, determination, and unwavering commitment to excellence continue to fuel his success. He shares his experiences and knowledge through motivational speeches and workshops, inspiring aspiring entrepreneurs to pursue their dreams. John's journey from humble beginnings to becoming a respected business and marketing leader is a testament to the power of perseverance, continuous learning, and the belief in one's abilities. His success story serves as an inspiration for individuals striving to make their mark in the business world.